Hello everyone, welcome to you on my YouTube channel Think Future Onwards Academy. My today's topic is the course module 2 part 1, how to combine data using concatenate, merge, manual formula and import data from other Excel sheets. So we will start the course. This is our main data which I prepared it for you, and now I'm using the formula. First, concatenate. The concatenate formula actually combines two cell information at one place. Okay, equals to concatenate. See, you can see here down concatenate formula, it's there. I just double click on this one, and here I selected my city, comma, I'm using it here, double quote, inverted commas, comma, and then the next cell, company name. I want to make them at one place, at one combined data, and I'm just closing the bracket, and that's it. See, at the moment what it is doing, you can see it here, it is making, there is no space in it. What we need to do, just click, come in between the inverted commas. See here, come in between the inverted commas and give space. It's up to you. I'm using the dash here and I'm using it. Now you can see it here, automatically bringing this one. It's clear. Now I'm using it. Now we will go to the other option and we will see that one, how to do the manual formula, using the manual formula. Now it is very easy. If you want to combine the data and you don't want to use the concatenate, you can use this formula. Equals to city name and inverted commas, space, dash, space, inverted commas, and function, this value. See what it does. It is making your data to be available in cells here as a, and you can enhance if you want. You can use another and inverted commas, okay, dash, inverted commas, and this value. See, it is here now. What the formula we used it, it's there now. You can see it 367.2, it's there now. And you can space increase, it's up to you. But if you want to increase the space, you'll just have come in the formula and just click it here and increase as it is. Just see here now, and it will be there. The other thing, now our third method is combine cells in Excel text function. For example, now these two cells, see here, I merged them. I will use it separate. See now what will be the reaction will come. Okay, see these two cells, I want to make this in merge them and make the combined information. See here, there is an option. You can use it, this option, merge and center. Okay, you will have some merge across, merge cells, unmerged cells. So we will see the behaviors of this one. First of all, I click it on merge center. Okay, merge cell, only keep the upper left value and discard the other values. Okay, we will see that what happens. See what it does. It tells us that whatever on the right side information, it will remove, and only the left cell information it will keep. So referencing is there now, and other information it is removed. Now we will use another option. Okay, I will highlight first and then merge across. Okay, see, it does the same functionality, but not centered. It made it on the left side. Okay, now the third option, merge cell. Okay, so this is our third method to combine the data. Okay, so I need this one as it is. Okay, and one more thing, sometimes when you highlight that this data and you can find this data is like this one, but you need in the middle of this one, you can just click on the middle and middle it here. See, all the data is in the middle now. So the third we learned today, the using concatenate manual formula and using the merge cell. Now we are going to import data. For example, now I want to import the data. What I have to do, I need to go on the toolbar data. Okay. And when you will see here on the left side, get data. When I'm going to click it, it will give us certain options that from where you want to bring your data, from file, from workbook, from text, from XML, JSON, PDF, folder, from where you want. All the options with you. It's up to you that what information you want to bring it here in the Excel sheet. So I'm going to bring it here from the workbook. Okay, it takes me to my data that, okay, I told that, okay, go to this sheet, import data. Now what it will do, it is showing me the inside Excel sheets in my workbook. I said, bring this data and come down. Okay, and you will see here load. It is starting processing now, see, and it imported my data here now. You can see it, see, data file, and it's imported here now. So this way you can import your data and you can consolidate your data. It's up to you that what you want to. So this is the video for today. I hope you enjoyed this video. And before leaving, if you have not already subscribed this channel, make sure to subscribe, like, and hit the bell icon to get updates when I post it. Thank you very much.